In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use the form calculation widget in Jotform. We'll walk through a simple example using a quiz form, but the same process applies to other types of forms where you need automatic calculations like order forms, scoring systems, or surveys. First, log into your Jotform account and go to your list of forms. From there, choose the form where you want to use the form calculation widget. In this example, I'll open a quiz form, but you can use any form that has multiple choice questions, single choice questions, or similar fields you want to assign values to. Once your form is open, click on one of your question fields. When you select it, you'll see a small gear icon, usually near the top right of that field. Click that gear icon to open the settings panel for the question. A drawer will slide open on the right-hand side of the screen. In this panel, switch to the Options tab. Look for a setting called Calculation Values and enable it. As soon as you turn this on, you'll see your answer options listed, each with a text box or field on the right side. These are the values Jotform will use when it performs calculations. For a quiz, you can set all incorrect answers to 0 and the correct answer to 1. If you're using a different scoring system, you can adjust these numbers however you like, such as 5 points for a correct answer and 0 for an incorrect one. Go through each option and assign the appropriate value. Repeat this process for all the other questions that you want to include in your calculation. Click each question, open its settings, enable calculation values, and assign the numbers. Next, we'll add the form calculation widget itself. Look to the left side of the screen and click the plus icon to add a new element. Switch to the Widgets tab, then find and select the form calculation widget. Drag it onto your form where you want the total or result to appear. When you drop it onto the form, its settings will appear on the right side. Click the Add Field button. From the list that appears, choose your first question field. Then click the plus icon to add another value in the formula, click Add Field again, and select the next question. Continue this until you've added all the question fields you want included. You can also use other operations like multiplication, subtraction, or division, and even choose functions for more advanced formulas, depending on what you want your form to calculate.